What is it? Oh, bracelets. Oh, cool. Bracelets.
Okay, if I get teapot.
A teapot. Nice.
Oh, I got something. Very cool.
What is that? Oh, ponies. Oh, nice. Look.
I don't like those stuff.
You don't like it. Look, and it has all the ponies.
Surprise.
No, come here and I'll open it for you. Okay. What else did you get? Here, Gary, film.
Hold on. I'm trying to
Get your ass over here.
kind of hard with Yarrow in the way.
Gary,
Yeah, honey.
I now can make bracelets.
Yeah, cool. You know you were pointing at... Okay, there. Now you were... You had it at me for a while.
You hit your finger on it. Film Olivia opening her gift. Why?
I can't move.
Toilet.
I can't. All I got is Yarrow's head.
Next, Mama.
I'm trying to get her in frame, and he's...
What's that?
Play-Doh.
Wow.
You got new Play-Doh. Come on, get in there. Mommy. Mom. Bring these batteries. It has to work on batteries. This.
Yeah.
Mommy, look at my stimuli now.
Jenny, look.
Oh, whoa.
Star Wars.
Let me look. I got my new bag. I got this bag.
Okay, Zane, you have more.
And the back is soft.
Get the rest of your stuff, Zane. What did you get, Olivia?
Olivia, can I help you open it? Barbie Land. Yay.
Wow.
What else did I get? It's right here.
Yeah, that's your Lego
Look, behind
table.
there. Behind the
He took out every the stuff from behind. He's got Thomas. Did you see your R2D2?
Yeah. It's right behind my ass.
Behind where?
My ass. Right here.
Oh, cool.
Wow.
I'm strong. I am strong.
Oh, careful.
Oh, wow.
Teapot!
Oh, wow. She got a teapot, not the teapot.
Now I can
Now
find
you
it.
can make your
Mommy,
potions.
now I can find it. Now I can get this cutie. Mommy,
Yeah.
you remember we have a small one like this?
Yeah. Okay, what else do you have?
No, I have.
Wow.
Can I see your cat?
I need my pen. What's that, Olivia?
A dress. Olivia,
Wow.
Olivia, can I open all your
A
presents?
dress. I think you got a couple of dresses there.
Olivia, can I
Oh,
help
that's
you open
pretty.
your dress? Open all your presents. Oh, that's all there is. Okay, it's a box.
Zane,
I already know what's in there.
Zane, give me the Nike bag in my bedroom. Mommy has a present for you.
Nike.
The Nike bag. And the pink bag.
Oh,
This is from Mommy. That's not from Santa Claus.
this?
No, that's from Coach. The bag, the shopping bag.
Oh, I found it.
Oh, what's that?
Barbie.
Oh, wow.
Cool.
Present.
Okay, give it to me. That's for you and that bag.
Yay. Mommy, I need you to take it.
Okay.
Can I open this one?
Yes, you can. Okay, give me the bag. Give me the pink bag. Give me the pink bag, Zane. Beside the bed.
Mama,
Okay,
can
go.
I make the posing, Mama? Okay.
Let's get organized and then you can open up everything.
Olivia! Olivia, I have a good thing for you. You want the skibbity toilet? No, I want to make a pose. Can I fit this close to your face? Watch this. Skibbity toilet. Skibbity toilet. Skibbity toilet.
Olivia?
Skibbity toilet.
Olivia?
Skibbity toilet.
This is from Mama.
Skibbity toilet. Skibbity
Oh,
toilet.
I think he likes the skibbity
Skibbity
toilet.
toilet.
You think?
This is yours, Zane?
I want to
Zane,
make
this
a
is yours?
pose.
This is from Mommy. Mommy and Gary. Not from,
Oh my god, yeah. This is mine
oh, that's Olivia.
and Olivia.
Yeah, that's for your boo-boo, Zane. When you fall down, you put ice in it.
Opening you. Oh wow!
Oh,
What the hell is this?
That's Jordan. Michael Jordan shoes.
Olivia, why is this in my bag? Hey, get it out.
That's Olivia.
What about this?
Let me see. Let me see. What is it?
It's a light.
Oh.
Oh, I got new shoes. They're brand new.
Oh, this was for Mackenzie.
Okay.
I'll give it to her.
Mommy, I want to make a pose. Mommy, I have brand new shoes. They're white. They're wrapped in.
Let's see. Oh, wow. These are shiny.
Yeah.
Mm.
I don't know what this is. Okay, get out of here. I want to make a pose. Olivia, why is there blue in my bag?
Let me see.
Blue in my bag.
Oh, Bluey shoes. Olivia.
Blue
Bluey.
Got my foot over there.
Oh, and a Michael Jordan.
Jacket.
Oh, yeah.
Mommy, I
Oh.
have another one.
Yeah.
And another pair of Michael Jordan shoes.
Oh, no, it's, now he made a pair.
Olivia, you want this?
No, he has two pairs. And he has shirt. Okay.
Mommy, can I pick one to open up?
Yeah. You opened up all the gifts?
Mommy, can I pick one to open one of these Lego?
Livia, come open up your bag of stuff.
She hasn't opened up all of it yet. Oh yeah, she did. Man, there's a mess.
Okay, can we clean up a little bit? And put this
Okay.
underneath the Christmas tree. Choose which one you want to open.
No, I have to put it somewhere, so I can't
Underneath
see.
the tree. Underneath the tree.
I want to open this one.
Okay. All right. Open up your clothes then, Olivia.
I don't have any.
Now, Mommy has to go through your cupboard and give away all your the clothes that make room.
This.
The small clothes. Put them underneath the tree, Zane.
I want to open this one.
Okay, no. Open up this one. Oh, Zane, your headphones.
I know. I do like.
What's that? What is it, Olivia? Let me see. Let me see.
Mommy, it makes me want to open all of them.
Oh, Lilo. Give it to me, Mommy. Give it to Mommy. Oh, Lilo.
You mean Stitch?
Is that Stitch? Yeah, Stitch. Here, Stitch.
Leo, you mean?
Oh, that's nice. Okay, what else did you get? Oh, that's pretty. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, wow.
Is that
Look at
Minnie?
This is, no, this is a body glove.
Oh, body glove.
Okay, let me see. Oh! Let me see. Okay, okay. Okay, give me that one.
Oh, bless you.
You can wear that today. Do you want to wear that, Olivia? Oh. Oh, that's pretty. That is cute. Oh, this is pretty. You want to wear this one today? It's soft.
Mommy, I didn't pick one of my Lego yet. Give me.
Oh, wow. And then you got this.
Mommy, can you take the
pass-
shoes off?
Okay, let me see. What else did you get?
Mommy, look, I got 3 Legos.
Oh, that is nice.
Mommy, look, I got 4
Hey, give
Legos.
me your other clothes, Olivia.
Mommy.
Oh, wow.
4 Legos.
Okay, give me your other clothes on the floor there. Right there.
Okay.
Oh, a ballerina. Oh, that is so beautiful. Look at
You already
this.
have it.
It's
Well-
2 outfits. Yeah, that's for Mommy and Gary. Look.
Yeah.
You want to wear this today, Olivia?
Yes.
Okay. And is there any more clothes there? Okay.
There's
Now, let
only
me see your
shoes.
mermaid tail. Pull
Oh.
up your pants, Olivia. Oh my God! Another mermaid tail.
Ow!
Oh, wow.
That thing is a murder.
Look at the sparklies.
Mommy. Ow!
Careful, dude.
Dad, I wanted I wanted to you put on you go you swim with it. Yeah, in real mermaid
Mommy
tank.
can get that for you in the summer.
Mommy, it's supposed to go
This,
in
this you put in on your bed, and then you go inside it.
so you can be a fake mermaid tail. Like
No,
that.
that's not fake.
Or you could lay in it on the floor or on the
Do you like
on
it,
the
Olivia?
mattress.
Yes. I wanna like this scooter.
Okay, give me the box, Olivia.
I wanna like this.
I hope you don't have to put it together.
Yes, you have to.
Oh my God.
You have to put it together. Look, Mommy, you have to put it together.
I know the Lego table I'm gonna have to put together.
Yes, you do. And you have to put the scooty toilet. Scooty
How
toilet.
many scooters do you kids have?
Scooty toilet.
Zane, go get me a butter knife.
Scooty toilet. Scooty, scooty. Scooty, scooty, scooty. Scooty
Give me
toilet.
a butter knife in the
Scooty,
kitchen.
scooty toilet.
Zane, can you give me a knife in the kitchen?
Scooty toilet.
Zane, give me a knife in the kitchen.
Scooty toilet. Scooty, scooty toilet.
Oh, I think I'm gonna regret that. Okay, go give me a knife where I can cut this out.
There. A knife, a normal knife. Okay. I love it.
Bluey! I don't think you wanted this, Olivia.
Yes, I was crying for it.
You sure was crying for this?
Last week.
The other week.
Be careful with that, Zane.
I'm always
Oh my
Look
God.
at my bag again. Why do you can't rip the bag?
Wash your hands, Olivia.
Mommy, look, I ripped my name off.
Okay.
Even Charlie's having a good time. Hey, Yarrow. Did you goof? Who'd you goof? Oh.
Yeah, okay, go over there and you can run.
Yay. Where's the light up?
Oh, the lights, yeah, they light up.
My
Yeah.
scooter also. Mommy, I'm opening my bag. Well, I have to send it to you.
Yeah.
The bag. What is the horses? Can I open one Lego? Can I build this?
Let's clean up.
Can I build this on the table? Because there's not enough room.
Okay. Anything else coming out? Charlie, my legs.
Okay, what else do you
I
got?
want to play outside. Livia, you want this? Yeah.
You can share it.
Socks. Gloves, I mean. Oh, your favorite chocolate. Want it? Want it? Fishy, come get it. Fishy, you want it? Fishy. Fishy.
Let's end the video.
Okay.
Oh wow. You
So
got
that's a wrap,
overwhelming
guys.
amount of stuff.